Breath awareness meditation also can be known as Prāṇa Vīkshaṇa. Prana is the energy of all life, life force. It is the power and the vibration that runs through the entire universe. Vikshana means observing. Breath awareness meditation, known as Prāṇa Vīkshaṇa meditation, is a practice of observing breath as a tool for quietening the mind. Observing the rhythmic flow of life-giving air as it enters the body with each breath. This practice of observing the breath gives the mind something to focus on, and thus the mind stops generating new thought patterns. Let's begin. Find a comfortable place to sit. Sit on a cushion, on the floor, or in your chair. As you settle down on your seat, make sure that you sit towards the front edge of your cushion or your chair and keep your spine long. Relax your shoulders. Gently close your eyes. Relax your body. Let go of all the tension. Bring attention from the crown of your head, softening face. Relax shoulders and arms. Keep your chest lifted, stomach soft. Travel down your spine. Notice your sitting bones rooting down. Travel through your legs all the way to your toes. Softening and releasing tension from the body. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice your breath in through your nose, out from your nose. If you need to exhale from your mouth, you can do so for a couple of breaths, gently releasing breath from your mouth. Notice a cleansing sensation as you breathe out, and a nourishing sensation as you breathe in. Let your breath flow without a pause. In this practice of meditation, we are being mindful of our breath. This is a mindfulness meditation focusing on the breath as you breathe in and breathe out. As you follow your breath, Just make a note that you do not want to judge or label your breath. All you're doing is observing the breath, watching the breath, breathing in, breathing out. Continue observing your breath. Your breath will reflect your mental state. If you notice any disturbance in your breath, you might be still holding on to any tension, or maybe you're getting distracted. So take a moment, set aside all distractions arising from around you, distractions arising from within you. Set them aside. Relax your mind. Patiently allow the relaxed movement of your breathing to continue on its own. It will take few moments before you notice effortlessness in your breath. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out from your nose. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Wait for the breath to come on its own accord and watch its flow. Breathe in. Breathe out. Observe the movement of your breath. Simply watch your breath. Observe the breath itself. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue watching your breath. Follow the effortless flow of your breath without expectations. Just continue to observe the breath. There might be some thoughts arising in your mind. You might be getting distracted. Let go of the thoughts. Do not make these thoughts focus of your attention, but do not turn them into your enemy either. Simply do not give them energy. Each time you start getting distracted, patiently bring your attention back to the touch of the breath. Gently guide your mind back to your breath. Bring your awareness to the touch of the breath in the nostrils. Notice the touch of your breath at the tip of your nose, inside the nostrils, back of your throat, into the lungs, and trace your breath again as it flows out from the lungs, back of the throat, nostrils, at the tip of your nose. As the breath becomes calmer, more refined, notice the joyous feeling of peace. Observe your breath. Maybe you notice rest points between the breaths. You might notice pause at the end of inhalation, you might notice rest point at the end of exhalation. Maybe you notice rest point before you begin your next breath. Follow your breath. As you go deeper within, maybe you can bring your attention to the point between the eyebrows. Bringing attention to the upper part of your nasal passage, the point where the breath enters the body. To center the awareness at this point might make it easier to watch the breath. Try not to force anything. Just follow your breath. Rest your attention on the touch of the breath in the nostrils, maybe upper part of the nasal passage, Go deeper within. Let your mind rest on your breath. Slowly stop observing your breath. Continue to sit quietly and enjoy the stillness, peace, and calm within. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly open your eyes. Namaste. Yoga to Master the Mind. This is a book to dive deeper into the wisdom of yoga. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Yoga with Anjani, the right way to yoga.